Here is an overview of qualitative text analysis in F4 analysis. We will go through it in 4 steps. With the research question in mind, the first step is to read through the interviews in their overall context. You are collecting information about the case, about what is special about this person, background information and things that catch your eye. Record these facts in the yellow field at the bottom. Here you start your case summary, which you can constantly enhance during your work. Or you mark a special passage and write a note about it. Here you can write down special features or questions that will help you to understand the text. And so we come to the second step, the building of categories. First, I develop main categories from my research question. The categories consist of a name and a comment. This comment contains the definition, perhaps a few examples and explanations later. I will add my insights and findings to this comment. Now, I can assign suitable text passages to the codes and collect the quotations in all texts that provide statements on my topics. In order to make my code system more meaningful, I now form subcodes from the existing codes. At the end, all the material is assigned to codes. I have structured the material in a way that I have arranged it according to topics. Now, in the next step, I can look at the material, check it, compare it, contrast it. I can display all the statements of a subtheme and summarize them. Or I look at what I have already written about the subcategories and summarize it again at the level of the main code. I now take all the statements on a topic from a certain group of people and compare them with the statements of another group. I write about how do the codes relate. Where do they overlap? Where are they very different? I also have the possibility to look at my material in a very abstract way, namely in the form of a number matrix. Here I can see how many text passages were assigned to which topic by which interview, and can now perhaps discover structures in the material that certain topics were not mentioned by certain people, or I look for distinguishing features. The final step is then to export the material for the results report. There is an export function for this. Here I can export all my short comments on all assigned text passages as documents, already nicely formatted in Word or Excel. With this I can write my report nice and easy. Thank you, and have fun with F4 Analyze and your qualitative research.